Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So I noticed that I was getting a lot of views on these AirPod cases. So I just want to do kind of like an update. So the first one that you did see that opened up was called Easy World Compatible AirPod Pro Case. So this is the case that I opened in my first video. So I just had to wiggle the top cover, and it's just pretty flush. I'm sure if you wiggle it a little bit more, you can probably get a lot more flush like that. So far I do like this because for one thing, it has more of a flat base, which is kind of cool. See how it's kind of cut almost flat, so it gives you like a nice flat edge to kind of sit your AirPods up. Anyways, so it came with the other clip, this kind of like a gunmetal clip. So I switched it and put it on black, and of course I put the tracker on it. So of course, like all cases, it'll charge via Qi. Do I have a charge on this battery? Let's see. I don't even know. Yeah. So the only thing is, so this case, there's a LED light here, and it's kind of blocked, right? I mean, you can kind of see it, like especially maybe at night, but during the day, it's not as easy. So as you can see right now, it's kind of like a faint red dot. I have to bring it a little closer to you. See, so it's not a big deal. Tap and it'll show you the status. It's not a big deal, but if you're paying for the extra, for the charging, Qi charging, and with the LED light, you wouldn't be able to see it, but you could kind of see it. So the only reason why I said that is because I have this other case that came in the other day, and this one is called Aikiko air case. And there's so many cases out there, silicone cases out there, and they're not always the same. They're all kind of unique. So like this one, there's no finger grooves, right? You can tell there's no finger grooves. And this one does have a little finger groove, and it also has a little kind of indentation punch for the LED. Yes, my thing's not really charged. Are y'all having? Leave a comment below. I've noticed that the batteries on these, they don't seem to last as long. The case itself. This one always seems to be charged whenever I need it and use it. But this one, the battery actually died on me, so I had to actually plug this in. And I don't think I've been using my AirPods that much. Anyways, so of course this one I actually kind of prefer. And let me turn it on, because this one is not smart enough to know something's on it. And as you can see, it's charging. So, most of these cases, they all will charge, it's thin enough for Qi charging. So that's not an issue. I don't know why I'm showing you anyways. That's weird. Anyway, so all these are overall alike, but there's positive and negatives. I do think this is a positive. This itself is okay. I mean, it's you actually have to kind of fiddle it to make sure it sits inside. See, if you push it in. Oh, well, actually now it's just going in as quick as I want. Earlier I had to kind of wiggle it in a little bit, but maybe I loosen up the rubber, so now it just kind of pops in a lot easier. Okay, so that's not really a negative for me, but this one is a positive for me. I love that little cutout that they included. Because like this one, of course you can't set it up. Not a big deal. I mean, I do like that the cutout is kind of nice and neat, but it's always nicer to have some type of protector, because most of y'all now would be using a Qi charger anyways, right? Both these rings are okay, and as you can see, this is already kind of picking up lint. That's just what happens with these type of cases. They always pick up pocket lint. This black one didn't seem to pick up as much, as you can see. So that's kind of a positive for the black one. Sorry, all these have weird names. I have more coming in, so I'll keep posting reviews on these as soon as I get them in. But this one is Easy World. This one is Aikiko. Don't worry, I'll leave a link in the description for y'all. It'll be a affiliate link, but you don't have to buy it from me. You just go on Amazon yourself and search around and see what you like. But I'm just showing you what I have here. So all these that do have a lip, which is good. So this top part didn't go flapping around. And I actually have another one. So let me put these to the side. And I have two more cases coming in, silicone cases. I got a gray one coming in. They're all different brands. I'm just trying a whole bunch of different brands. I have no clue why I'm doing that, but I'm just doing it. Oh man, I'm missing the cut here. So this is kind of like my unboxing video, right? Make sure if you like to do watching unboxing videos, I have tons of unboxing videos, and also shows you how to get cool things for free through Amazon, as long as you have a Prime account. Anyways, see, so this is one of those free items. This one is just kind of like an add-on brush for when you want to clean something. This has a little, so you can stick onto your screwdriver. It just helps clean. But this one's free. Free through Amazon. They refund you the money. But that's the side point. That's not what this video is about. So here's another case. And this one is from a company called Val Kit. And the reason why I went for this one, because this one's supposed to be a clear hard case. So let's see here. As you can see, it comes in. I'll show you that just so y'all can see. Val Kit. So it comes in a nice, cool case. At the time of purchase, it was around $13. It comes in a, a cool case. I mean, the case is just a simple case. It's not like molded specifically for AirPods, but you can always put it here or just leave it here, and then you put your accessories, chargers, or whatever you want on that side. I don't really have a use for these, but it's nice to have, I guess. Okay, so what you want to see is this. So this here, as I said, oh wow, they didn't have wow, look at that, they didn't have a sticker telling you the front and the back. That's pretty cool. Again, so this is from Val Kit. So let's go ahead and peel the sticker off. And it's supposed to be shock-proof hard case. So I guess later on I'll do an update into the description. Because I don't really want to drop it on purpose. But sooner or later it's going to drop. And I'll let you know how it handles. If this type of case will just crack as soon as I drop it, I don't know. So it's pretty smooth. Let's see, I don't know if it's dust or just a bad buffing job, but okay, so that's junk there. So as you can see, the lid's not attached, and it comes with these. It's supposed to be magnetic. I actually see something in there, so maybe these are magnetic, so it'll stick onto your AirPods a little better. So let's see. Let's take out this one. Again, if you have plain AirPods, you'll watch my previous video. This is just a generation 1, and I wanted to have a Qi charging onto this, so I just got a little case, add-on case. It makes it a little bulkier, but it's still cool. That's before the Gen 2 came out, FYI. So go pop it in. Like, wow, look at that. Okay, so I have to clean this a little bit before I put my case in. Okay, well, that's good enough for now. Wow, look at that. It sure shows the dirt. Okay, so far the bottom fits really good. So just make sure you clean it up. I'll clean my AirPods again later before I stick it in the case permanently or, for a long time. And then here comes the lid. Okay, that seems to be a nice snug fit. I mean, yeah, it's going to have a little wiggle noise, but I don't think that's too annoying. You can't really hear it right now. Wow, this case is actually pretty nice. And again, this is just, dirt from my AirPods or from, static from the case itself when I'm taking out a box or something. So I'm assuming if it's in your pocket, it might kind of suck some lint around here. But I am actually pretty pleased with this. I gotta say, I actually really like this clear case. Especially for girls. You could always put like stickers and you'll be able to see through, how People like to decorate their stuff, so you can maybe put a little picture of your kids, and you know, you could customize it a lot better like this. I gotta say, I really do like this. So it comes with the rings as usual, and now this one's more of a chrome. So this one I'll probably leave it on this because this feels like it'll break, this plastic, as soon as you sit on it at the wrong angle and stuff. Yeah, I think this would be best to loop it like that. So I'll do an update video on this later on, just in case, you know, I don't know how durable this case will be. And here, I'll just show you this real quick. So let's see, if you put your AirPods in, you'll probably want it like that. So let's see. I want to be able to mess up the buttons, the pressure buttons. So the cool part is, yeah, oh, that's what I mean by magnetic. So whenever you have wrapped around your neck, it just sticks together like that. Okay, that's pretty cool. Actually, each of these came with that set too. I didn't even bother using it because to me, it kind of defeats the purpose of having wireless AirPods and then you stick a wire onto it. I'm sure it's useful for people who run and work out and stuff like that. That'll be cool for them. But yeah, that's not me. Not yet. I need to work out. But anyways, besides the point. So if it does fit real nice and snug, the material feels nice and soft. Magnetic, look at that. It works pretty well. Okay. So here, just put it back in. And I'll give you another quick, slow look. Look at that. Messed it up. Okay. I'll do another slow look around for y'all. A little comparison. Yeah, I really do love this flush cutout. So maybe if this came with a nice flush cutout, that'd be pretty cool. With some type of protection, dust cover, that'd be cool too. Because I don't think people will use this as much going forward. We should have a lot more Qi-based chargers. I'm sure most people have it now. So I'll do an update video on this to see how pocket lint holds up. You know, if it sucks it in a lot. But as you see, if you don't clean your AirPods before you put it in, it picks up all this. I don't even know what that is. It looks like dog hair, but I don't have a dog. Maybe it's cardboard lint or something. I'm not really sure, but man, that sure picked it up fast. But at least you know this is real easy to swipe down. Obviously, you have to use maybe microfiber. And don't use toilet paper because I'm sure that'll let a lot more gunk onto it. So, I don't know. What y'all think? So far, this might be my first place. Then the second place. And then this would be my third. Let me see. So I do have a gray one coming in tomorrow, so I'll post up another video on that afterwards. Yeah, I guess that's it for now. Yeah, I'll post up a gray one when I get it tomorrow. It's not really, it's nothing really fancy. It looks almost similar to the blue one. I just wanted a different color too. But this one was only $8. Let's see. That blue one was $9.98, and it came with the that black case similar to this one. And the clear plastic one here I got for $12.99. Same thing, comes with the little earphone thing in the case. And here's the black one from Easy World. It was $8.79. All right, I think that's about it. I don't think there's much else y'all want to hear from me right now. I'll continue to leave little updates because obviously it seems like I'm getting a lot more views on these right now. I guess a lot of people are picking up AirPods. So, but again, the silicones do pick up lint, pocket lint, and this was in my pocket all day yesterday. And I mean, it's not horrible, but it does, and especially like right here. It just really picks it up right there. This one doesn't seem to pick up as much, so that's okay. And as you can see, it's not really picking up like greasy fingers or anything too much. So yeah, this is probably my second place right now. Or I think they're tied right now until I play with this a little bit more. I am surprised how good this plastic stays on. And you know, the clear look is cool. I could see a lot of uses for other people who would enjoy a more clear case for more multiple functions. I would have to see when I do accidentally drop this if it breaks and it's totally useless. And I have to see how durable this little loop is, because you know it might crack off too easy. I wish it was a little softer so it won't crack, but you know, I'll let you know. And I think that's about it. All right, thank you for watching. Sorry this video is a little bit long, but you know, I hope you got something out of it. And if you did, just make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Watch some other videos. I got a lot of videos unboxing random things, unboxing tech things, and of course massive Amazon unboxing videos. So if you'd like to see that type of stuff, just click on my link and just look around. Tell me what you like. Leave a comment below. All right, I'll leave it there.